So, Millie's fixed. So we're taking her away for the weekend. Road trip! So we've stealth parking in a CAF car park right on the coast. It's a beautiful view. Unfortunately, I don't think it'll come out on video because it's pitch black outside. We got here about 8ish. And then first thing tomorrow morning, we're going to get the solar panels installed. So not much really to film. Jess has gone for a wee, if anybody's really interested in YouTube world. If you're really quiet, you might hear a tinkle. Oh no! Look, she's got performance anxiety now. She can't wee. She can't wee because we're listening. So anyway, we're gonna have a cup of tea, and then we're gonna chill for a bit. Right. So I'm in my t-shirt in the back of the motorhome. Guess what Jess is wearing? Are you cold, Jess?
No, I'm hot.
Well, is that because you're wearing 2 pairs of trousers, 2 pairs of socks, a jacket, 3 tops, and a coat?
Yes.
Okay, you won't feel the benefit when you go outside, you know that?
No, I know, but I'm feeling the benefit when I'm inside, so I don't moan.
Okay. So this is Jess making a cup of tea. It's like, I wish I had a thermometer, because it's not cold.
No, because I've got lots of layers on, see? Because once I'm cold, then I'm going to be whingy and cold.
So you're now admitting on camera that you whinge?
No, I'm admitting I've got an ambient temperature.
So, YouTube vote here. What does everybody think about Crocs? But more importantly, fur-lined Crocs. Get these beauties. Crocs with socks, fur-lined. Could you get any more sexier? It's got a tea, chilling, nice little car park in a nice little cafe. Fortunately, the cafe doesn't open until 8 o'clock in the morning, and we need to be where we need to be tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. So we're not going to sample the cafeteria. So the sign on the car park says open 24/7, but no overnight parking. Let's go and figure. But there's another motorhome just across from us. So we're assuming it's okay, but we'll see. Are you nice and warm, Jess? Because unfortunately, we discovered that the quilt that we keep in the motorhome is damp.
And mouldy and smells.
Yeah. Luckily, because I'm a good Boy Scout, we have plenty of blankets. I have a sleeping bag that I always keep in Millie anyway, so we should be okay. But just in case, I'm boiling the kettle for a hot water bottle. So, ready for bed. While camping, no heater, about -1 degree outside. We must be mental. So there's another motorhome. There's another motorhome. This is where we've kind of parked for the night. So make sure Jess isn't cold last night. She took all the quilts, all the blankets, everything. Are you warm enough?
Yeah, no.
So this is how cold it was. This is ice on the inside of the van. That's ice. But what a beautiful fresh morning. And this is what's worth it. When anybody asks, why do we do it? So when you wake up and you're drinking your coffee to such a beautiful scene like that. Sun coming out, watching the ocean, just perfect. So here we are at the Sunstore solar panel store, and we've come to get our solar panel fitted. So Tom, how many solar panel installs have you done in your lifetime?
Have I done?
Is this your first one? So, because it's not a weekend away in the motorhome, something doesn't go wrong. Our bedding was all mouldy and musty, and I think we must have put it away damp last time, and over the last couple of weeks it's just deteriorated. So we didn't have any bedding last night, so we've ordered some from Argos. We've parked up because we can't drive too far in the motorhome with the solar panels just fitted, so we're walking into Worthing to Argos to pick up some bedding and also get some fish and chips. And look at Jess's hat. We're wearing hats because we're the hat couple. Cheers! Hey everyone. Wow, what a day.
Long day.
It's been a long day. Great fun with the Sunstore guys getting the solar panel installed. Hi to Neil and Tom. Thanks for hosting us in the morning. Really nice fellas. And you'll see the video of the install.
We're fixing the light that you tried on.
I tried it on the lights, yeah. Did you record that bit?
No.
So this is what happens when a fat idiot tries to climb up the top of the van.
No.
Alright, yeah, let's not mention the lights then. I stood on the back light and the guys fixed that for me as well. So again, thanks a lot. So we needed new bedding because the bedding that was in Millie, unfortunately, because she's been sat in the garage, must have got damp, mouldy, disgusting.
Silly.
We didn't find out until we pulled up and start making the bed to have our first off-grid in about -1 degrees on the coast. And it was a little bit cold without a quilt. So luckily we've got about 1 million blankets. Just wore about 12 pairs of clothing. And we stayed warm. We survived. I mean, we didn't die of hypothermia because we're still alive. And then obviously we then needed to walk into Worthing to get the new bedding, which we got from Wilco's.
So what, 7 miles?
Cheap as chips. Yeah, well, 7 miles, 14,000 steps. My feet are killing me. My legs are killing me. We're now at the Littlehampton caravan and motorhome campsite, which is beautiful. We've both had showers, we're clean, we've got fresh clothing on, we're wearing our motorhome geeky t-shirt just for the video. We're not going to go out looking like twats. And and then we're
well, you might.
going to get something to eat. I've had fish and chips, but they weren't brilliant fish and chips in Worthing.
They were rubbish chips, weren't they?
Yeah, they were skinny chips. You know them fries that, they're not proper chips. I want a proper chip shop.
Chips.
Proper chip shops, curry sauce. So looking at Google Maps, there's a chip shop not too far away. And to be honest, what's a few hundred yards when we've walked 26 miles today along the Worthing front? So no, it's a nice day. We're exhausted. I can't see us having a late night, but we've got some gin, we've got some red wine, we've got some Brewdog Punk IPA, vegan friendly.
Which is nice.
It is actually, I thought it was going to taste, and it's gluten free. Does that mean it's diet?
Yes.
Diet beer.
And we've negated all the calories by walking
And
miles.
we walked miles away, so I don't feel guilty having fish and chips anymore. And if it's not too far, we'll walk back and then we can have the fish and chips in Millie. Because we've got salt, vinegar and all that kind of stuff. Okay. We'll see how far it is.
Now I've had a shower, I'm alright. I won't whinge.
You don't smell.
No. I don't smell.
Morning. So, great night's sleep. Toasty with the new quilt cover on. Very quiet sight. Slept like a baby. We were asleep by about 10:30, weren't we, last night?
Yeah.
The Littlehaven Motorhome Caravan Site Club is beautiful. The showers and toilets are toasty warm. The showers are very, very hot. I saw people mention that there's no shower curtains, but the actual cubicle's huge, and you've got like a bit for your clothes and to get changed, and then you've got the shower. So you pretty much have to be throwing the shower hose all over the place to get your clothes wet. I don't think you need a shower curtain. There is hooks there, and I guess if you're really kind of special, you can take your own shower curtain, but I don't think you need it. Did you think you needed it? No, I don't think you need a shower curtain. Very clean, spotless, as you would expect. I mean, I don't think we've done a caravan motorhome site and it's not been spotless. So, great night's sleep. I think I've got a bit of a tan on my face. That must be the walking the 18 miles along the front of Worthing. But no, we're setting off quite early because we've got quite a bit of a drive back. So it's about 8:30. Just going to finish our coffee. We've pretty much packed up, tidied up, and we're going to shut up. Right, speak to you later. So there you go, another adventure in Millie. Walked about 18,000 steps, explored Worthing, got a new quilt cover, new quilt, and got some solar panels fitted from the guys at Sunstore. So, busy weekend. If you've liked the video so far, you want to see some more, then click like, comment, let me know what bits you like the most, what you want to see more of, and by all means subscribe and check the bell thing or whatever you're supposed to do, and see you on the next video.